welcome to stampingcatcrew.com. Today we're going to do some paper pumpkin alternatives, but I wanted to show you actually the kit for this month, June 2018. This is the cards as they were meant to be assembled. There's a hooray you did it and a hooray it's your day. This kit came with the gold foil self-adhesive hooray stickers. There are lots of the balloons, self-adhesive, and little candles for the cakes. Had some die cut panels that are here. And then we have some solid black die cut panels that are here. There is a roll of the black and gold baker's twine, which is super fun. There's the stamp set for this month. It's a birthday cake. It's got the little sparkly embellishment there. There's a congrats sentiment. So proud of you. We just wanted to say, and then ... It's your day and you did it. So lots of choices, which makes it versatile. Came with a lot of these little white strips for the sentiment. Came with the gold sequins, which are stuck here. I had some extras around, and then also a ton of these little tiny pearls, which are here. So those are all the components that came in the kit, and I just wanted to show you, like I said, the kit that came as assembled, which is this 2 cards right here. And it always comes with a bunch, so there is enough in the kit to do 8 printed card bases and 8 printed envelopes. So there's always a list of the stuff that comes in the kit. The color for the ink this time is Lovely Lipstick, which is kind of a really vibrant, deep pink. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to set the 2 cards aside. And I love the envelopes. They did come decorated, which is lots of fun. So the first alternative that I did, I wanted to make one of these, not an easel card, a step card here. And so it would fold flat, just like an A2, and go right inside the envelope. And I didn't attach this strip down yet because I wanted to show you what I did. I actually took in the kit, also came a bunch of these white banners. They're self-adhesive and they stick just like this. There were a bunch of these red panels, the Lovely Lipstick color, I should say pink. And then also there were a bunch of these flagged end banners with this really fun color here. So I took the end of this banner and I cut off a section right here that I could use for this panel. I took the card base, and if you lay it out flat, it's an A2 card size, and I just did a quick drawing of what I did here. So it's 8.5 by 5.5 right here. This cut line right here, I did a score line at 1.5. I did a score line at 3 inches. I did a score line at 5 3/4, and then another score line at 7 inches. So, and then this obviously is a score line that's going to be in the card. In 1 3/4 inches, so from this bottom score line to this score line, I just did a cut. And the way that you do that is setting it right here, and you're just going to line this up. You know that it's 1 3/4 in, and then you're going to take your cut and you're going to go from this score line right to this score line, and that's just going to cut on the inside of the paper. Love this Stampin' Up! Trimmer. It makes doing things like this really easy because you have the measurements on both ends and the ruler that goes along the arm here. So the last part that I didn't finish because I wanted to show you the scores and cuts was I added a little bit of sticky strip adhesive tape, which is really strong, and I cut the only extra piece that did not come in the kit. And you could actually use one of the white panels for it if you wanted to, is just a white piece of cardstock right here. And I did it by 4 1/4 and 1 3/4. So it's the exact same height as the card, and then width to width, inside to inside right here, 1 3/4. And so if we attach that down, and it folds flat, it's going to be exactly where it needs to be inside of here. Have the balloon stickers, the extra little piece I cut off the top of here, and then it's the sentiment of hooray. We just wanted to say it's your day. So that is my step card and the envelope right here. And just a little bit of fun. Measurements and things will be on my blog if you need them. I'm going to set this one aside. I'm going to show you my other alternative card. It uses the cake dies that came. So these were pre-cut, and we had the little candle stickers. So we used 2 of those. Then I did the congrats sentiment on just a 1/2-inch little strip of white cardstock. So did not come in it, but again, you could use one of the white banners or any piece of white like cardstock paper. So that is the only thing that I used that was not included in the kit. This white strip right here, I took 1/8 of an inch off this side and 1/8 of an inch off this side to have a border, and I could layer it on the lovely lipstick background here. And then the hooray, that's right here, you could do an 1/8 of an inch strip right along here, and I use that just to add a little bit of gold to the sentiment right there. Use some of the gold sequins and a little bit of the twine wrapped around and just popped those up and flagged the ends. The base is as it comes right here. And so this is my alternative for that card and my alternative for this one. And these are the originals as they came in the kit. So that's it. I hope you got some good ideas, and don't be afraid to sit down and play with your paper pumpkin. A lot of time you can change card bases into all kinds of fun 3D designs. There's lots of things that you can do to layer them up. Just use the supplies that you have at home. You can use a different stamp set. They always come with extra embellishments, so the kits are a lot of fun, and you'll always have the extra stuff. As you noticed, you can create entire backgrounds with a lot of the things that are in the kits, and just have fun and play. That's it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Happy creating.